fabric painting on my father-in-law's formal shirt. Hello everyone, welcome to my new painting video. This is a formal shirt of my father-in-law. And on the left side here you can see it got a rust patch which is not at all looking nice, and for that he is not willing to wear this shirt. And now I have decided to hide this patch with my colors so that he can wear this shirt again. Let's get started. With different colors in my mind, I have decided to paint a peacock feather in this shirt, a small size of peacock feather, so that this patch can be hidden. Please watch the video till end. First of all, I am using the base color white. All I am using is acrylic color, that is fabric acrylic color, and 4 number brush. Please do watch the video till end. And those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe to get more exciting videos, and those who have subscribed my channel, to them thanks a lot. Keep supporting me like this way. One thing I should say about my father-in-law, that he is a very nice person and he loves me a lot. As my father pampers me at my home, my father-in-law pampers me here in my in-laws house. Now I am using yellow color, another base coat. Hope you will like this video, and if you like my videos, please do share it with your friends. My father-in-law is very fond of his shirts, and if any shirt gets damaged, he gets very upset. Today morning when I saw him very upset about this shirt. This shirt is one of his favorite shirt. And I hope that I may paint this peacock feather very nicely so that he can wear this shirt again. And as you can see, the patch is already hidden. Now I am using the light green color, and in this way I am using my brush. This is the first time I am painting fabric in formal shirt. Previously I have painted many kurtas, sarees, bed sheets, but formal shirt I have never painted anything. As you can see, now I am using the orange color. Now blue color. Peacock's feather is very nice to look at. Do you agree it? If yes, please comment me. I personally like to paint this peacock feather very much. I don't know finally how it will look like, but I am trying my level best. I will be very glad if he will like my painting and he will wear this shirt again. Now you can see it's almost done, and now I am just retouching and trying to give it a final look. Now, one thing I should tell to my little students: if you want to paint this peacock feather, please do paint first in your copy. Never try this painting directly in any shirt or t-shirt or mama's saree, anything. First practice it in your copy and then you try to paint in your desirable places. I feel very happy when my little kid students tries to copy my painting and paint them in their copy, and they used to send them to me. This painting is very simple and small in size also, just to hide the patch. Now I am highlighting the feather. Please do comment me how my painting looks like. This fabric color never gets removed whenever it is washed off. So, if you want to paint in any cloth, always use fabric acrylic color. My painting is almost done. After finishing my painting, I dry it for a while and then I will go to hand over this shirt to my father-in-law. And I will definitely share the feedback of him. This is the final look of my painting. I have handed over the shirt to my father-in-law, and as you can see, he is so glad that I become the reason of his smile. Thank you for watching.